Hello viewers and subscribers, welcome to my YouTube channel, that is Jupiter Linked.
Ka US kelamaham ya ke Israel, baka Israel kamla menjob ya katma, kabala long menta, persya ya ki Hezbollah, kat kum ka kubor, naka Washington Post, kelayathu, baka borsen syar, lane ka sorkar jong u Joe Biden, kelamaham sop-sop, ya ki nongelam jong ka Israel, ya ka jingelet ma direct jong ka Israel, bat ki Hezbollah, u presiden jong ka US, u Joe Biden, ulaya keren ru bat kinongerap jong u kibana Middle East syapang kane ka thma jong ka Israel bat ki Hezbollah kane ka dei ka hukum ban khanglat ya ka thma ka ba he bah hapdeng ka Israel bat ki Hezbollah ki he sarkar jong ka US kilaong ba u prime minister jong ka Israel u Benjamin Netanyahu ulak ban penhe ya ka jingale ha Lebanon ushabi jong ka jingim ka sanhima sima jong u wat hapdeng ka jing syak keno ya ka jing bakla jong ka sorkar jong u ban yakun ya ki Hamas ki he sorkar jong ka US ki shifting ya ki spy Israel bakila ban ya kendu jing ban job ya ka thma namar ki tir thma jong ki kila dunabha haba pet ya ka jing yakun ha Gaza ki he sorkar jong ka US ki shifting ba ka jing ya ka je ka bahe hapdeng ka Israel bat ka Lebanon kan sapalat ban ya ka jing umsnam jong u arhajar hendriu ka report kelami namar baki he sorkar jong ka Israel kila pensawa ya ka jinglong bala kre jongki ban ya syafrang ya ka jinga kuntma bat ki Hezbollah haka santarik u Januari arhajar arthosau u defense minister jong ka Israel ulaong ni kamla ya ka lenti jong ka thma ban persya ya ki nongsyun ki bawan keput yangi haka ndru tarik u Januari arhajar arthosau ki Hezbollah kila pentrekam palat nruputli ki roket syanoden Israel kane kade ka jing penhir keput jong ki Hezbollah ya ka Israel nakam ta ka jingyap jong ukli ki Hamas ubadai ubabut ya usale al aruri i charman jong ki Hamas ki spy Israel kila penskem ba kumba saputli ki mizai lane ki roket kila mi na Lebanon hakawe kalian u Secretary of State jong ka US ulaong baka jinga shun hapdeng ka Israel bat ki Hezbollah kadon ka jinga dei ka bashisha halor ka jinglong jingman jong ka kaput Israel bat Lebanon haka jinglet kai ka basaw ka jong u sa Middle East haka nyo tarik u Oktober jong usnem baladel u Anthony Blinken u badai u Secretary of State jong ka US ulaong ni kwa ban le AA ban pinsisha bakan omdon kano ka jingya ka ji hakaput Israel bat Lebanon ulaong ba ulakwa ban prinsisya ya kiri kapertay baken long jarjar hapdeng ka Israel bat ki Hezbollah kabamut bakim day ban prinsit yaki.
As we said from day one, we have an intense focus on preventing this conflict from spreading, and a big part of the conversations we'll be having over the coming days with all of our allies and partners is looking at the steps that they can take using the influence and ties that they have to do just that, to make sure that this conflict doesn't spread. Second, we'll be looking at what we can do to maximize the protection for civilians, maximize humanitarian assistance getting into them, and also to get hostages out of Gaza.